Okay, we've got our notes from our restaurant visit. Before we start writing, we're going to take a look at a couple more examples of reviews, figure out what's good about them, hopefully, maybe find a few things that's not so good, make sure we don't include those, and then we'll begin writing. So get your writer's notebook ready. We're going to pretend this is a writer's notebook page. I've had some complaints about people saying that my handwriting was kind of difficult to read in some of my presentations, so I'm going to give it to you digitally. This should be a writer's notebook page, which you're going to title Restaurant Review Starters. You can put it right after your restaurant review ingredients, your notes, those other two pages that you should have in there. And we're going to go ahead and pull from that first example of iron steaks. I'll give them to you. In the first paragraph, the starter of the review, there's the name of the restaurant. There is some kind of a hook. In his example, he used a golf metaphor. There might be some other kinds of hooks that people are going to use, so I'm going to leave some space there as we see some other examples. And also in the writer's first paragraph, he included the overall experience. So go ahead and jot those things down, and we'll take a look at some more on the paper that I gave to you. So you have your example of 5 different reviews. I've called the first couple of paragraphs their starters. I've given you a little bit beyond just the first paragraph, so you can kind of see where things are going. So take from all this information. Why I want to keep doing that? Take from all this information that's on here, including the first and second paragraph, and this interesting little thing. A lot of them have given, maybe it's called a subtitle, I don't know. Kind of interesting. If you see anything that's different than what the writer of the Iron Steaks did, then add that to your list on your writer's notebook. You don't need to include the title of the restaurant. Just look for different things that are going on in here, okay? I'll give you some hints here. The next 2 examples are from the Firestone Public House. Take a look at the whole opening. Write down what's going on there. Farina Pizza is the next one. Some of these restaurants are making me hungry. Just keep looking for things that are different. If the writer's doing the same thing as somebody else, you don't have to write it down again. Find things that are different. And the last 2 are the Bar Tartine Sandwich Shop and the Corner Store. Okay? That's another name of a restaurant. So get all those things written on there. I should be able to see quite a few examples going down of how to begin your restaurant review on your starters writer's notebook page.